Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Tasty Tingles. Hope all of you are happy, healthy, and safe. So today I am here with a sweet recipe. Pranhara Kachugula is what it is called as, a Bengali sweet. I really had a tough time learning the name actually, but taste-wise, mashallah, it is really sweet, and I just can't stop eating it. Okay, so you can see the texture; it's really sweet. So let's see how was this made. Let's get started. For this, take a saucepan, add 1.5 liters of milk. You have to boil the milk. So let's add 1.5 liters of milk into a saucepan. Let's start boiling it. You can keep stirring it occasionally as part of boiling a milk. Okay. So once it gets to the boiling point, at this point you can turn off the flame. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar is what I have used. You can use even lime juice. Okay, this helps to curdle the milk, and now you can see the milk has already started curdling. This is what I need. Now I'm going to take a bowl. We need to sieve it, so using a sieve and a cloth above it, I'm going to pour the mixture into this. So you get this curdled milk separate. So this cream is what we need now. So I'm going to add some water above it to clear the milk existence with this. Okay, now let's squeeze out the excess water from this milk. You can call it as cream now. You just have to squeeze it. Use both your hands and squeeze it. I'm using one hand because in another hand I had my phone capturing this. So squeeze off the excess water, and now it is done. I'm going to transfer that into a bowl. You can use a plate or a bowl as of your choice. Now you need to knead this dough. You can see this is how the texture is. See, isn't it nice? To this we have to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar or the condensed milk, I'm going to tell you, please follow the same thing because exceeding will make it too sweet and you will not even like it to have it again. So this is going to be the perfect measurement. Do follow the same. Mix it until the sugar dissolves completely, and this has to be the texture. Now take a pan, heat it, and add this mix into it. I did a mistake here. I forgot to stir it initially, and hence the little brown parts are seen, but that didn't change the taste. But while you are doing it, make sure you don't do anything as such. Okay, so it has to be completely pure white or the off-white color. Now I'm using 1/4 cup of condensed milk into it. Now you have to mix this and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. That will help the sugar and this condensed milk completely mixed and well combined with the cream. Now it is ready. I have transferred it into a bowl. We need to mix this, knead the dough, and make it into a texture that will be seen later. Okay, this is how the texture is. You can make it into balls using this. Now how will you know if this is the texture, if it doesn't break easily? Okay, so it has formed into perfect ball. Now I'm going to coat it with milk powder. Okay, you just have to coat it with the milk powder just to give it a nice look and the texture. So this is very simple. Do the same thing for every other balls. Ta-da, it is ready. I'm going to decorate it or garnish it with a sliced badam. You can use pistachio because that would give a color wise a good look. And the Pranhara Kachugula, a Bengali sweet, is ready. You can see the texture, yummy, sweet, and really delicious. You do not have to miss it out. Please do try this recipe, and if you like my video, hit like, share it among your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Do come again. See you